Today we are going to make cheesy chicken fingers. Hello Salmedo, welcome back to India African. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. We are using about 500 grams of blended chicken meat, and we can make about 10 cheesy chicken finger rolls. First of all, add salt as per your taste, red chili powder as per your need, sprinkle some crushed black pepper, garam masala about 1/4 teaspoon, half teaspoon ginger garlic paste, add about a cup of grated cheddar cheese. Any cheese lover here, hit that like button. Mixing with a fork or spoon, that doesn't work. Mix it nicely and keep it aside. Take 2 whole eggs in a wide bowl. Add some salt, black pepper powder. Beat it well. Along with the egg mixture, I have taken some breadcrumbs and all-purpose flour. Now let's roll the chicken mixture. Now let's apply some oil to the hand and the rolling surface. First, make a small ball of chicken mixture. Let's rock and roll. Now let's dip the rolls in all-purpose flour first, and next in the egg mixture, and finally in breadcrumbs. Continue doing the same with the rest of the rolls and refrigerate for about 1 hour. Finally, let's fry them in a medium flame. Flip and fry them both the sides. Do not fry them on a high flame. We want them to fry on a low flame for a longer period of time, so that the chicken can be nicely cooked in a juicy way. Looks like it's nicely fried now. Let's remove it and serve. If you guys like the video, please hit that like button below and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Do try and enjoy, and let me know how is it in the comment section below. I'll catch you on the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.